Samsung is a little than 2 months away from unveiling their next-generation flagship smartphone, and there have been some leaks about the new features we can expect. While the complete S24 lineup is anticipated to bring some upgrades like a 1440 screen for the Plus version and a titanium frame for the Ultra, it seems that certain aspects of the phone might be overlooked. A known leaker called Ice Universe has recently shared details about the RAM capacity of each variant. It's quite underwhelming. The standard Galaxy S24 will only offer 8 gigs of RAM across all models. Fortunately, the Galaxy S24 Plus will come with options of 8 or 12 gigs of RAM, which was already confirmed by a Geekbench listing. Lastly, the S24 Ultra is expected to have a configuration as its predecessor. May offer increased internal storage capacity. It's quite puzzling that there won't be a 16 gigs RAM option for the Ultra when some mid-range Chinese phones are already offering up to 24 gigs of memory. One can't wonder why Samsung hasn't followed suit in this aspect. However, the limited amount of memory on the S24 lineup will greatly restrict their ability to handle AI tasks on the device. These tasks are generally known to require an amount of memory. Recent patents suggest that Samsung is centering the S24 series marketing around its AI capabilities. All of that may have to be offloaded to the cloud, just like Google does with the Pixel 8 Pro. Meanwhile, in news, Samsung Semiconductor made an announcement about a specialized type of DRAM that they believe is perfect for mobile artificial intelligence and gaming applications. This new DRAM, known as LLW DRAM, Low Latency Wide I/O, was showcased in a video released by Samsung. From the video, it appears that this solution is typically placed alongside the CPU on a SoC, which aligns with its low latency capabilities. Interestingly, the video suggests that these chips will complement the CPU, then completely replacing DRAM. While it's unclear when exactly Samsung chipsets will start using this technology, there are speculations that the Galaxy S24 series might be the smartphones to incorporate this chip. Excitingly, Samsung is already working on new AI features for their flagship phone, including AI Live Translate call scheduled to launch next year. It seems like Samsung intends to position the S24 as an AI phone, so perhaps it will also serve as a platform to introduce this chip. Rumors suggest that Samsung will unveil their flagship phone in San Jose on January 17th, leaving us with time before we get to see what's in store for the S24 lineup. To stay updated, feel free to visit our channel. I'll catch you all in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.